All right, YouTube. So we got the U-Haul. We got a U-Haul cargo van. So this should kind of give you guys a little more insight on what exactly it is we're going to pick up. So I'm on the way now, and I'll be contacting my coworker. You know, well, contacting my buddy because we're really kind of cool now. So I'll be contacting him, be like, hey, I'm on the way. But first, we gotta make 2 stops. I have to go to the bank. Well, first I gotta go back to the house. Then I go back to the bank. But for now, we do have the tie on. We got the tie downs. So hey man, I'm hyped. I'm ready. Let's go on and get this, man. It's been a long time coming, and I feel like I've been needing to put something else on the channel, you know, other than just gaming all the time. So hopefully y'all enjoy this, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. So we got it back to the van. And let's go make us a deal. So yeah, I didn't really want to show y'all inside the bank because I'm pretty sure most of y'all have been to a bank. It's not like a lot going on, so yeah. And I'm also kind of trying to watch my surroundings. Oh, dude. Here we go. I don't know how this vlog is going so far. Y'all like it? Y'all don't like it? I guess I'll know when I drop the video and I'll see y'all comments. But yeah, man, let's go ahead. What was that? Start this joker back up. What was that? Okay, so that was just a notification from U-Haul telling me how long my rental is. Like I didn't already know that. But so we got the cash. Cash is king. Not gonna tell you how much is in here until after the video, but it's not a lot. And right now, so we are on our way. It is 4:17 right now. We were supposed to meet at like 4 o'clock, but I did tell him we were running late, so he understands that we are running late. So let's go ahead and let's hit the road, man. Let's go and get into it. So, yep, this just happened. Oh, yep. Just started raining pretty hard. Oh, I said pretty hard. Pretty hard, real hard, just started raining, so. So yeah, still waiting on my buddy, but it is raining pretty hard right now. So yeah. But like I said, whenever he gets here and we start loading up, then I'll come back at you guys. Alright, so damn, I don't have my voice just cracked. So we here, man. Let's go on and grab this. There's my buddy over there. Getting it up out of there. So yeah, I'm gonna handle this. Then I'll come back to y'all in a little bit. Yep. So yeah, like I said, it's a project, y'all. I told y'all it's gonna be a project. And this is damn sure enough a project. So go ahead, get this home in net. And really just see what we can do. Track days, drag bike really. extended swing arm. I got a guy that's gonna do all custom fairing, custom body work.